Hey, Jonathan here, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through a template that we built based on our experience at Duke and our time in consulting to help you organize and scan journal articles in one place. So if you want to pause the video right now and just go grab the template so that you can get started, feel free to click the link in the description below, and you'll be taken to this page where all you'll have to do is put 0 here because it's completely free to access. So put 0 here, click I want this, and then you'll be taken to a checkout page where all you have to do is share your email, and then we will send you an invite to access the template, and you can use it however you want. And if you want to stick around for the video, we'll walk you through the template and why it's built in this way. We'll show you a real life example of how we are using it, and we'll show you how it can work with Notion. So I'll get off camera and then we can go ahead and dive in. So this is the organizer for scanning journal articles template. As I'm sure you have experienced, if you're someone who's doing a lot of reading and writing and constantly reviewing journal articles, you probably have a huge pile up of tabs, windows that are open, PDFs and Word docs flying around, and trying to basically find information that you've already found. You're probably spending more time looking for, oh, where did this article go, or where did this information come from, as you're taking notes or conducting research, whatever the case may be. And it's just really frustrating. You are spending more time trying to gather and organize information than you are actually being able to make the most of it. And that is why we created this template and the platform in this way, so that you have a split screen interface where you can have all of your journal articles and your writing and notes in a single place. So the way that it works is on the left-hand side, you can upload any articles that you want to reference, that you want to save, that you want to take notes from. You can do that by either downloading a PDF and plopping it in here, or you can clip it as a web page and save it in here as well, and then organize it into folders however you see fit. We've given you some pre-built ones here, but please feel free to delete them. Please feel free to add your own. Please feel free to modify them. It's totally up to you. And then on the right-hand side is where you can take notes, write drafts, whatever you want to do from a writing perspective, and however you want to absorb the information, you can do that on the right-hand side. And then a really cool aspect about the platform is that you can actually create links from the right-hand side from your text to your references, to your journal articles. So you can easily pull things up in one click. You don't have to remember where information is coming from because it remembers it for you. And so I'll show you how that works in the real life example. So this is a patient centricity project that we are working on and updating on an ongoing basis, where we are constantly uploading and reviewing journal articles and other scholarly content, research, etc., and putting them in here so that we can take notes and continue to learn and update this repository. So the way SmartLinks works is that you are able to just click the link right here. So we'll right click, open up the link, and then boom, it automatically pulls up the reference file so that you don't have to remember where it's coming from. You don't have to say, oh, you know, where's this article? Where's this tab? Where's this report? How did I get this information? The link simply remembers it for you, and it is super helpful and saves a lot of time and frustration and headache trying to figure out where things are coming from. And the way that you create one is very simple as well. You just highlight the text that you want to create the link for, click this Smart Link button. You'll see this menu pop up, choose upload, and then you just select the upload that you want to link it to, and then you're done, and it saves the link permanently. And as I mentioned at the top, it's super seamless to integrate this with your Notion workflow. So if you like to use Notion to organize your work or in any other capacity, the template and the hub embeds perfectly into your Notion page. So this is another hub that we created based on the template where we're kind of conducting ongoing research around, this time around, sustainability. And as you can see, it embeds perfectly into the Notion page. And another great thing about Kahana and Notion is that Kahana actually allows you to get around the 5 megabyte upload limitation that Notion has. So the free plan for Notion only allows you to upload files that are up to 5 megabytes, and Kahana hubs actually allow you to upload files, multiple files that are up to 100 megabytes. So if you want to upload a bunch of files that are larger than 5 megabytes into Kahana and then embed a Kahana hub into Notion, it lets you get around that restriction. So yeah, that is pretty much it. Super helpful template for organizing your journal articles and being able to take notes and review them all in one place. And yeah, hope this helps. If you have any questions, we'd love to hear from you. Would love to help you organize your journal articles. Feel free to reach out to us if you have any questions or feedback. We'll include our social links below. And again, the link to the template is in the description as well, completely free to access. Just give us your email, we'll send you an invite, and you'll be all set. So thanks so much for watching, and have a great day. Cheers.